Hello all, welcome to Champion Mindset Education. In today's video, we'll see the different operations, addition, subtraction which we can perform on measurement. Also, we'll see few word problems. In our last video, we have learned about the various units of length, mass and capacity, and also how to convert it into from one unit to another unit. Okay, so let's start with the operations today, and starting with addition first. Let's take one example to understand it. Suppose we have to add 17 meter with 12 meter 6 centimeter. Okay, here what we can do is, for addition it's very simple. What we can do is we can add this meter with meter and centimeter, as here there is no centimeter, it will be 6 centimeter only. 17 plus 12, that gives us 29. 29 meters 6 centimeters. So our complete answer will be 29 meter and 6 centimeter. It's very simple here. Okay, now take another example. If we have to add 2 liter 250 milliliter plus 900 milliliter. Okay, we'll go with our concept. We'll keep the liter addition and to milliliter with milliliter. Here this is just 2 liter, there is no liter value here, and addition of 250 plus 900 milliliter. Okay, 250 plus 900 milliliter, it gives us 1150 milliliter. Okay, we know 1150 milliliter. We know 1 liter equals 2000 milliliter. So we can convert it into a liter. How I can convert 1150 milliliter into liter? We know for liters we have liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter, and we are converting from milliliter to liter. We are going in this direction, that will we do division because we are going from smaller to bigger, and division by how much? 10, 100, 1000. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll divide 1150 with 1000 to convert into liter. 1150 divided by 1000, it will be liter, and that is, as it is divided by 1000, 3 zeros, so it will be 1.150 liter. Okay, we already have 2 liter here and here 1.150. If we'll add this together, we'll get 2.150 liter. Okay, this is one way you can solve the problem. You can add the liters separately, you can add the milliliters separately, and then if the value is bigger than 1000 here, we can convert it into a liter. Do that and then perform the addition operation. The other way, if it is confusing, the other way to do the same addition is convert the complete value into milliliter. First convert it into milliliter, perform your addition, and then convert your final value in a proper unit. So how we can do is, we have to convert 2 liter 250 milliliter into milliliter, convert it into a smaller unit. We know liter, 2 liter, that means 2 into 1000 milliliter. Okay, if we are going from liter to milliliter, we have to perform multiplication. We are going from larger unit to smaller unit, and how much by how much from liter to milliliter? It is 1000. So that gives us 2000 milliliter here. Okay, and plus this 250 milliliter, so that will be 2250 milliliter, and plus 900 milliliter. Okay, now how we got this 250? We already have this 250 here. We have converted 2 into milliliter, that is 2000 milliliter, plus we have this 250, so it is 2250 milliliter. Now we can perform 2250 plus 900, and that gives us the value 3150. This value is in now milliliter because we have completely converted into milliliter. Now while writing your answer, you should not write 3150 milliliter. You should always convert into a proper unit. How we can write that? We know 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So 3150 milliliter. To convert it into liter, what we have to do is we'll divide it with 1000. 3150 divided by 1000, and that gives us answer 3.150 liter. Okay, I hope this is clear how to perform this addition. Let's take one more example for addition. Suppose we have to add 1 kg 500 gram with 1 kg 750 gram. Okay, what we can do is we can convert this kilogram into gram. Okay, and then perform the addition. It is more easier for us. For gram mass, we know we have gram, we have decagram, we have hectagram and kilogram, and we have to convert kilogram to gram. That is, we are going from bigger unit to smaller unit. Then we'll do multiplication, and then how much by how much we'll do multiplication? 10, 100, 1000. Okay, so it is 1000 gram 500 gram plus 1000 gram 750 gram. That means it is 1500 gram plus 1750 gram. Okay, perform the addition operation. 1500 plus 1750, that is 3250. Okay, this is 3250. We have received the answer in gram, but we have to write the answer in a proper format. We have to convert this 3250 in a proper kilogram gram format. How we can do it? As now we will convert gram into kilogram, gram into kilogram. As we are going from smaller to bigger, we will do division, and by how much? Again it is 10, 100, 1000. So it will be 3250 divided by 1000 kilogram, and that is equals to 3 zeros after the decimal point. So it is 3.250 kilogram or 3 kilogram 250 gram. Okay, I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear how we have done the addition. Always keep this units in mind. You have to have that proper. Go through my previous video. I have given detailed explanation of how you can keep these units in mind. How you can learn how to do the conversions. It's an easy trick through which you can get that idea, and then it is very easy to solve each and every problem. Okay, if you are converting into a gram, then at the end you have to convert it into a proper format. This step is very important. Okay, let's see few examples related to subtraction now. Okay, suppose we have to subtract 7 centimeter 8 millimeter minus 1 centimeter 9 millimeter. In subtraction, always convert first into one form, into a smaller form, then perform your subtraction, and then convert into a proper form. Okay, so we will convert centimeter into millimeters. For meters, we know we have meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, what we are doing here, we are converting centimeter to millimeter. That is bigger unit to smaller unit. So we'll perform multiplication, and by how much? By 10. So it is 70 millimeter, right? 7 into 10, that is 70 millimeter, plus this 8. So it will be 78 millimeter minus 1 centimeter. So if I multiply it by 10, it will be 10 millimeter. 10 plus this 9, that is 19 millimeter. Now we can do 78 minus 19. Okay, and that gives us the answer 59. So it is 59 millimeter. Okay, but we have to write the answer in a proper format. Now we have to convert this millimeter back to centimeter, and if we are converting from smaller to bigger unit, we'll do the division, and by how much here? By 10. So it will be 59 by 10 centimeter, that is 5.9 centimeter, or you can say 5 centimeter 9 millimeter. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have 10 liters, 250 milliliter, and we have to subtract from 1 liter 750 milliliter. Okay, we'll convert into a smaller unit, and here the smaller unit is milliliter. For liter we know liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Again from liter we are going to milliliter, and by 1, 2 and 3, that is 10, 100,000, bigger to smaller multiplication. So if we'll multiply 10 with 1000, so it will give us 10,000 plus this 250 milliliter, so it will be 10,250 milliliter minus 1 with 1000, that is 1000 milliliter, plus this 750, so it will be 1750 milliliter. Now if we'll subtract these two values, 0 0, this will be 12, this will 5, 9, 8 and 0. So this is 8500 milliliter. But as we know, we have to always write in a proper unit. So we'll convert it back into liters, and for converting back into liters, we have to divide it by 1000. Okay, so it will be 8500 divided by 1000 liter. Here there are 3 zeros, so 3 digits after the decimal point, it is 8.500 liter, or you can say 8 liter 500 milliliter. Okay, keep the concept in mind, keep the steps in mind, how we have to do. First we have to convert it into a small unit, perform our operations, then convert it back into a proper unit. And how to do this with the help of this method, it's very simple. Let's take one example for mass also, for subtraction only. So if we have to subtract 5 kg minus 1 kg to 50 gram. Okay, again what we'll do, we'll first convert into a smaller unit. We know for gram we have gram, for mass we have gram, we have decagram, hectagram, kilogram. This also units we have, but here we are more what we know to learn about is kilogram and gram, because our sum includes kilogram and gram. So we are converting from kilogram to gram, so it will be multiplication, and it is 10, 100,000, 5 into 1000, that is 5000 gram here, and here 1 into 1000, that is 1000 gram, plus this 250, so it is 1250 gram. We'll perform the subtraction normal way. So it is 3750 gram here. Again what we'll do is we'll convert it into proper form, that is we'll convert it into kilogram, so we'll divide it by 1000 here. We are going from smaller to bigger unit. 1 2 3 10 100,000, that is 3 zeros, so 3.750 kilogram, or you can say 3 kilogram 750 gram. If you have any issues with this type of divisions and this decimal points, I have video for this where I have explained in detail how to perform the division operations with 10, 100 and 1000 on decimals. Go through that video, that will give you a clear concept. Okay, I hope this subtraction of measurements are clear. Okay, let's move to some word problems here. Let's start with the first problem. Suppose it's given that a worm climbing up a hill. A worm is climbing up a hill, and it went 12 meter on one day. Okay, on one day she went it went 12 meter, but slipped back 2 meter. But it slipped by 2 meter 35 centimeter. Okay, then how far has the worm climbed? How far climbed? Okay, Now, if you know how to solve the problems, the concepts of measurements, conversion, everything, solving word problem is very easy. As we know, the worm has climbed 12 meter. Now it slipped back 2 meter 35 centimeter. Then it is something which is reduced. So we'll perform the subtraction operation here. What will subtract? 12 meter from 2 meter 35 centimeter from 12 meter. Now normal subtraction, as we have seen on our previous way how we do the subtraction. First we'll convert it into a smaller unit. So we'll convert meter into centimeter. We have meter, decimeter, centimeter, meter to centimeter multiplication and multiply by 10, 100. So 12 multiplied by 100, so it will be 1200 centimeter. Again 2 multiplied by 100, that is 200 centimeter, plus this 35, that is 235 centimeter. Perform 1200 minus 235, that will give us 965. This is 965 centimeter, but we always write our answer in a proper format. So what we'll do, we'll divide it by 100. We'll convert it into a meter back. So it will be 965 by 100 meter, that is 2 zeros, so 9.65 meter, or we can say 9 meter 65 centimeter. This is how far the worm has climbed in a day. 9 meter 65 centimeter. Solving word problems is also very easy. Just you need to keep the concept how to solve it. If you know how to do the subtraction, how to convert the units from one measuring unit to another measuring unit, then it has become very easy to solve either normal addition, subtraction, conversion problems or the word problems. Okay, let's see one addition problem as well. Suppose can A contains 2.5 liter juice, okay, and can B contains 3 liter 250 milliliter of juice. And the question is, if both these can are mixed, then how much juice, how much is total juice, and also they have asked us to give the answer in milliliter. This type of sums, sometimes they ask us to give the answer in a particular unit. You have to keep this in mind, because what students do is they'll solve the problem rightly, they get the correct answer, but they will not write the answer in this format what it is asked. As per the habit, we have a habit of converting into proper unit. We don't concentrate there what they have asked, so you should always keep this in mind. Now we know can A has this much of value, can B have this much of value, and they two are mixed. So what we'll perform, we'll perform the addition operation. So we'll add 2.5 liter plus 3 liter 250 milliliter. Okay, convert it into a smaller unit. So 2.5 for liter, we know liter, we have deciliter, we have centiliter, and we have milliliter. We are going from liter to milliliter, that is bigger unit to small unit. So we'll perform multiplication, and that will 10, 100, 1000. So we'll multiply with 1000. So 2.5 liter into 1000. So that will give us 2500 milliliter. Okay, and 3 liter 250 milliliter, it will give us 3 into 1000, that is 3000, plus this 250, that is 3250 milliliter. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll perform the addition operation. So it is 2500 plus 3250, and that gives us 5750 milliliter. Now in this sum, we don't have to convert it into a liter again, because what they have asked us, we have to give the answer in milliliter itself. So this is what our answer is. How much juice is there? The total juice after mixing can A and can B is 5750 milliliter. Okay, I hope it's clear how to perform this operations. It's very easy. You should have idea of decimals as well. You should know how to divide the numbers with thousands, tens, hundreds, especially decimal numbers, and how to convert. If you are clear about this, you know the step by step concept, then it's very easy to solve any problem. Okay, please go through my videos. It will really help you in understanding your concepts. Okay, if you are liking my video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep studying.